Tired of your current username on TikTok and want to change it? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly and easily change your TikTok username. Now let's get started. To begin, open the TikTok app on your device and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap Edit Profile. Tap your current username. Then tap the X to erase your current username and type in the new username you'd like to use. Keep in mind that your username must be unique, so if someone else has already claimed a name you want to use, maybe add in an underscore or a number to make yours different. Also keep in mind that you can only change your username once every 30 days, so make sure you like what you've entered. Tap Save when you're done. To confirm, tap Set Username. To change your display name, tap Name. Then type in the name you want displayed at the top of your profile and tap Save when you're done. That's all it takes to change your username and display name on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.